Good afternoon, student. This lecture is for 8th class student. Yesterday I taught you indirect object and I taught you also phrases. What is phrase, what is clause, what is transitive verb, what is intransitive verb, what is complement, so that you can easily understand all the statement given in your notebook. So let us start. Prepositional complement. Can you tell me what is meant by complement? Yesterday I told you about complements. Sometimes an intransitive verb which does not require an object requires a word or group of words to make complete sense. So this word or group of words is called a complement. So a prepositional complement is a word. ये prepositional complement क्या है? Is a word है, phrase है और एक clause है that directly follows a preposition. जो क्या करता है? Follows a preposition and completes the meaning of the prepositional phrase. The example: some people believe in whatever organized religion tells them. This is prepositional phrase. We have been waiting for. This is preposition, waiting for. Whoever will pick us up from the party. But finite and non-finite noun clauses can function as prepositional complements. Okay? Finite and non-finite noun clauses can function as a prepositional complement. Next, adjective phrase complement. This is prepositional complement. A direct indirect object. Now adjective. What is meant by adjective? Adjective means visheshan. Phrase complement. An adjective phrase complement is a phrase or clause. That completes the meaning of an adjective phrase. That completes the meaning of an adjective phrase. Do you know phrase? I have taught you phrase yesterday. Look at these examples. My brother is angry that someone dented his new car. I am sad that my brother is sick again. Okay. Only finite that noun clause can function an adjective phrase complement. So noun clause most often functions an adjective phrase complement when the adjective phrase is performing the function of a subject complement. Yesterday I told you what is subject complement, what is object complement, what is complement. So you can easily understand when the adjective phrase is performing the function of a subject complement. Clear? Noun phrase complement. A noun phrase complement is a phrase or clause that completes the meaning of a noun phrase. So what is noun phrase complement? Is a phrase or clause that completes the meaning of a noun phrase. My problem is the fact that you are never on time for work. The supposition that men are smarter than women is untrue. Only finite that noun clause can function as noun phrase complement. Next one is apposition. An apposition is a word, phrase or clause that modifies or explains another noun phrase. So in a different way I will explain it. Appositive, you can say apposition means when two words or phrase are placed beside each other in a sentence so that one describes the other. For example, For example, my dog woofers. This is phrase. My dog is in opposition, and this woofer to the name, to the name woofers. So means when two words or phrase are placed beside each other in a sentence so that one describe the other. Okay, next, the man, whoever is he tried to steal some library book. That man, what man? Try to steal some library books. Your question, whether you should wear the blue dress. Your question, what question? You should wear blue dress or pink one. Now underline the noun clause in each sentence. If the noun clause is the subject of the sentence, write S in the blank, and if the noun clause is in the direct object, write D in the blank. Whoever phoned us did not let the phone ring long enough. This is direct object. Mary promised that she would be on time for party. That she would be on time. On time for party. This is a direct subject. David mentioned that he would be late for the meeting. That he be late for the meeting. This is direct subject. Next, whoever sent us this letter should have signed his or her name. Should have signed his or her name. This is direct object. Who your ancestors were make no difference to me. Makes no difference to me. Direct object. Mr. Edwin swore that he would tell the truth. He would tell the truth. This is subject of the sentence. That anyone else could be doing the same experiments never occurred. That anyone could be doing the same experiment. This is subject of the sentence. The old man knew where the treasure was kept. Where the treasure was kept. Subject sentence. I knew that a safe was behind the picture. Safe was behind the picture. This is direct object. What happened on June 30, 1973 will never be forgotten in our town. This is subject of the sentence. We knew that we were in for a spell or hot, humid weather. We were in for humid weather. This is direct object. Whoever visit us will be assured for a freshly painted room. Will be painted room. This is direct object. Student, till here you will revise and fill all the sentences in your textbook.